Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Those who are living in different corners of the world. I welcome all of you to this very YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, you can get notification. Alright, many of you have asked me few questions. These questions are: how much a YouTuber can make per month? And another question is how I can create YouTube channel professionally and run a profitable business on YouTube. Answer for the question no. One is very difficult. I cannot exactly say how much one can make per month, but I can show some proof how much they are making. I can show you some example. Okay, I can show you some YouTuber how much they are making. First, without further ado, let's see the YouTube channel of Ayman Sadiq. Now, who is Ayman Sadiq? Ayman Sadiq is a very popular youngster, young teacher in Bangladesh. He teaches completely online through YouTube. And how much he is making? Okay, here is Ayman Sadiq. Though Ayman Sadiq repeatedly says he doesn't earn much from YouTube, actually almost nothing, but here he is. This is Ayman Sadiq, and he uploaded already 302 videos, and he does have 895k subscriber, almost million, and he is from Bangladesh. This account has created in 2012, and here it is. He is making around $174 to $2,800 per month, almost $3,000 in Bangladesh currency. I think almost 2.5 lakhs, and still he is saying he is not making money on YouTube. Alright, maybe in comparison from other sources he is making money, and from YouTube in comparison it is nothing, because he is creating contents, videos, and doing video marketing and some other B2B business with country leader business organizations. So in comparison, maybe it's nothing to him, but in BD currency, more than 2 lakhs per month is huge, because after completion of masters in Bangladesh, after completing honors and masters, youngsters start making 12 to 15,000 taka, almost $200, where this young teacher is making this amount of money just from YouTube revenue, and he is making around $33,000, not taka, every year, and it will be increasing every single month, every single year. Okay, now let's see how much his school is making. Okay, 10 minutes, 10 minutes school. Again, he said in a live session, 10 minutes school is not making enough to run the school, to pay the salary for the teachers. Maybe 8 to 10 teachers working together. They all are friends, and they have like 5 schools. Okay, 5 channels, and just from one channel they are making, they created it in 2015, and they are making around $10,000 every single month, and $117,000 every single year, and it will be increasing. All right, and they have like 4 or 5 YouTube channels just for 10 minute school. And let's go and check how much the YouTuber from United States they are making. This is also Bangladeshi guy, young star, definitely, but he is living in the United States of America. And how much he is making? He has gold YouTube button, means he has million subscribers. Yes, he has 1 million subscribers and 558 uploads. Country is US, created in 2017. Look, just in 3 years he has built this YouTube entrepreneurship business, and he is making $33,000 every single month. It's a Bangladeshi guy just reading newspaper and also do criticize on the news. Okay, and he is making around $400,000 every single year. No job, no business can give you such profit consistently, and it will be increasing every single month. Okay, now I will show another YouTube channel, that is Joan, and it is also from USA. Okay, created in 2016, and he has 638 videos, 2 million subscribers, 2.66 million, and this guy is making $60,000 every single month and $723,000 every single year. This is tentative, and Social Blade always underestimate, so it can be little more. And every YouTuber, they place, most of the YouTubers, they place affiliate links below their videos, and they make money from commissions much more than this ad revenue. Okay, now let's see how much the young kids, little kids, are making on YouTube. Okay, we will go to Ryan's world. Ryan is a school kid studying in elementary, and he does make videos along with two other little sisters. They are like 5 years old, 6 years old. Ryan maybe 9, 10 years old, and his father and mother helps him. And this channel has created in 2015 1789 uploads and 26 million subscribers, and they are making $3 million just from ad revenue per month. 3 million per month. No job can give you, no business can give you such profit, and 36 million per year. Okay, another one, let's check. Diana. Okay, kids Diana show how much she is making from YouTube ad revenue, and definitely they are making affiliate product sales and getting much more revenue than ad revenue. She is also going to elementary school, created in 2015 737 uploads and 61 million subscribers. US is the country, and making $13 million per month and 160 million per year just from AdSense, Google AdSense revenue from YouTube ad revenue. Alright, so from this we can come to conclusion how much one can make on YouTube. I can say now, sky is the limit. If you want, you can create your channel today and grow your business. You have to consider it as your business. You have to be serious in creating content, uploading it professionally, writing touchy titles, giving some keywords, important keywords, and creating thumbnails and rank it into search engine. Okay, so you can do it by yourself. You can try and make mistakes, and you can learn from your mistake. It might take maybe 1 year to get monetized. To get monetization, you have to have first condition is you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Many people get it within 6 months to 12 months, this number of subscribers, but many fail to get watch hours. Okay, so many people takes years to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but we can help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 2 to 3 months. We have a course, YouTube Entrepreneur, how can make a profitable business on YouTube. We have also an ebook on the same topic, and the ebook comes along with 21 video tutorials step by step how you can create your YouTube channel professionally, how you can upload, how you can write catchy titles, how you can write description, how you can do keyword research and do SEO to rank your video on the top, on the first page of Google and YouTube, and how you can also grow your business like them. To get the ebook, you can just email us. We social your brand @gmail.com. Okay, we social your brand @gmail.com. All right, and the price of the ebook is for this month only $49, and from next month it will be $99. And for the course, this month admission is going on, and we are charging only $99. From next month it will be $4.99. So either you want to get enrolled or want to get the ebook, email us. Thank you. See you.